Hello, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting a delicious and healthy homemade pasta sauce. Not only is it simple to make, but it's also packed with nutrients that benefit your health. Let's get started. For our homemade pasta sauce, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, each 28 ounces, 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, a handful of fresh basil leaves, chopped salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and optionally, a pinch of red pepper flakes for some heat. Let's start by heating our olive oil in a large saucepan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions and sauté until they're translucent, which should take about 5 minutes. Next, add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute until it's fragrant. Now, we'll pour in our crushed tomatoes. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Add the dried Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and if you like a bit of spice, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, stir in the fresh basil leaves and let the sauce cook for an additional 5 minutes. And there you have it, a rich, flavorful homemade pasta sauce ready to be served. This sauce pairs perfectly with whole grain pasta or zucchini noodles for a low-carb option. Top it with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and enjoy! Now let's talk about the health benefits of our homemade pasta sauce. Tomatoes are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain types of cancer. Additionally, tomatoes provide vitamin A, which supports good eyesight, and vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. By making your own sauce, you control the ingredients, reducing the intake of added sugars and preservatives often found in store-bought versions. This makes it a healthier choice overall. Olive oil, used in our recipe, is a healthy fat that supports heart health and provides anti-inflammatory properties. Fresh garlic not only adds flavor, but also offers immune-boosting benefits and can help reduce blood pressure. Lastly, fresh basil contains essential oils that have anti-inflammatory effects and can help combat stress. Thank you for joining me today in making this delicious and nutritious homemade pasta sauce. Remember, cooking at home allows you to create healthier meals tailored to your taste. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more recipes and health tips. See you next time.